Hi everyone, today we are in Module 1 of Level E. We're going to do Lesson 2, so turn to page 5 in your packets. Our first vocabulary word today is expanded form. So when we look at expanded form, what that means is if we have a number, so 789, we expand it. We break it into the different parts by their place values. So there's 9 ones, there's 8 tens, so that value is 80, and there's 700, so that value is 700, just like we talked about in lesson 1. So in expanded form, you would write it as 700 plus 80 plus 9. This is the expanded form. The next word is period. So we have billions, millions, thousands, and ones. So the 3 place values right here, the ones, tens, hundreds, is the ones period. The next is the thousands. Okay, so then you have the ones, tens, and thousands, or hundreds in the thousands period. Okay, so this would be 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then in the millions, you have the same thing, 1 million, 10 millions, 100 millions, and then same thing with billions, 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So each of these sectioned out parts, there are 3 place values within the ones, 3 within the thousands, 3 within the millions, and 3 within the billions. Okay. So on this page, let's do some of these together and we'll talk these out. So if we look at number 1, we have 2 thousands cubes. So we're going to write 2 thousands. We have 1, 2, 3 hundreds flats. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And then ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. Well, now we're going to write the value of each of these. Well, if you have 7 ones, that's 7 times 1 is 7. 5 tens is 5 times 10, so that equals 50. 3 hundreds, 3 times 100 is 300. And then 2 thousands, 2 times 1,000 is 2,000. All right, so now if we look at this number, I'm going to make this bigger so we can see it a little bit better on the video. So we're going to write this in expanded form. Okay, so we've practiced up here. If we were writing this one in expanded form, we would just put addition signs in between those. That would be expanded. So now you can see that they already have the addition signs. So we're going to write this number. I'm going to write it into the places. Okay, so make sure you have that written on your paper. And then what we'll do is we'll start down here at the ones and we'll go all the way up to the billions and write those out. And we're going to write it in expanded form. So 2 ones is 2. 7 tens, 7 times 10 is 70. Hundreds, 800. And then we have 5,000s. Going backwards just so you can kind of see how it's easier to start down here. Then we're in the 10,000, so that would be 90,000. Then we have 100,000, so 400,000. Then we have millions, so we write 6 million. And then we have 3 in the 10 million, so we'd write 30 million. And then we have a 2 in the 100 million, so we have 200 million. This is a big number. And then 1 billion. So we have a 1 in the billions place. So in expanded form, that is it's a big number. And so we can see that each of the place values has a value for each place. All right, so the next one, we can see here, they're showing us again, here's the ones period right here, and then the thousands period, and then it's telling us for each one. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. So if we have 57,961, if we write that in expanded form, we have 1 1, we have 6 tens, so that's 60, 9 hundreds, so that's 900, excuse me, 7,000, so that's 7,000. And then 5 10,000, so that would be 50,000. So it says, how many zeros does the 10,000s place have? Well, the 10,000s has, we can see, has 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Then it says, how many zeros does the thousands place have? The thousands has 1, 2, 3 zeros. How many zeros does the hundreds place have? 1, 2. And then the tens place has 1. So it says each place has how many more zeros than the place to the right of it? So when we think about how each place is, as we go up, has one more zero, so this one has one more, the tens has one more zero than the one to the right of it. The hundreds has one more zero than the tens. Thousands, one more than the hundreds, and so on. So when you calculate it out, it says each place is how many times the value of the place to the right of it? Well, you're adding a zero, so each place is 10 times the value to the right of it, because if you do 1 times 10, then you get 10. If you do 10 times 10, then you get 100. If you do 100 times 10, you get 1,000, and so on. So each place is 10 times the value. So then to find the value of the place to the right, you divide by 10, you divide it by 10, or you can remove 1 zero. So when you divide it by 10, then you're going back down this way. You're going the other way to see what it is, or you could just remove one of the zeros. Okay, so let's try this out. I'm going to make this a little bigger again so we can see this. Okay, so we have the first one I'm going to write in the table. Okay, so we have 7 ones, we have 1 10, so that's 1 times 10 is 10. We have 300, so that's 300. 5 thousands is 5,000. And then we have 8 10,000, so that's 80,000. And then 100,000s, so that's 100,000. One more zero in there. So these are also in the 100,000s place. So we're going right there and we're writing it in expanded form. So if we look here, all of these have a 7 in the ones place. So we would keep a 7 again. But this now has a 4 in the tens place. So that would be 4 times 10 is 40. A 5 in the hundreds, so 500. We have an 8 in the thousands place, so 8,000. We have a 1 in the 10,000s place, so that's just 1 10,000. And then a 2 in the 100,000s place, so it'd be 200,000. Okay, number 6, last one on this page. 7 again in the ones place. We have a 9 in the tens place, an 8 in the hundreds place, a 6 in the thousands place, a 1 in the 10,000s place, and then a 4 in the 100,000s place. So all of those are written in expanded form. All right, so when you go to work on your own, you are going to write how you write a number using expanded notation. So here it is in symbols. If you have 7 thousands, 4 hundreds, 3 tens, 6 ones, you identify the place value of each digit in the number. Then find the value of each digit. So 6 ones is 6, 3 tens is 30, 4 hundreds is 400, 7 thousands is 7,000. So then when you write the number as a sum of all the digits, so you add the sum. If the digit is 0, it is not in the sum. Okay, so for this we have 7,436, so 7,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 6 is how you write that in expanded form. All right, so right now on your own, you're going to complete page 7. Do your best, ask for help if you need it. Good luck.